Everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to add Fitbit to Apple Health app. Now, unfortunately, there is no direct official way to link your Fitbit account and sync data directly to the Apple Health app due to competition between the two platforms. However, you can use third-party applications to transfer data from your Fitbit account to Apple Health. So I'm going to give a step-by-step guide on how to do this using a common method involving a third-party app. Keep in mind that the specific steps and available features may vary slightly depending on the third-party app you choose. Popular options in 2025 include Power Sync for Fitbit, Fitbit to Apple Health Sync, and Sync Solver Fitbit to Health. So those are the three popular choices in 2025. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go to the Apple App Store on your iPhone and search for apps that sync Fitbit data to Apple Health. Read the reviews and check the app's features and compatibility to select one that suits your needs. Some apps may offer basic syncing for free, while others require a one-time purchase or subscription for full features like automatic syncing and historical data transfer. So once you found it, you have to download and install the chosen third-party sync app onto your iPhone. Then launch the app after installation. The app will guide you through the process of connecting to your Fitbit account. This typically involves tapping a Connect to Fitbit or similar button, being redirected to the Fitbit website or the Fitbit app to log into your Fitbit account. So, next thing you're going to do is to authorize the third-party app to access your Fitbit data. You may be able to choose which types of data to share, such as steps, sleep, heart rate, etc. Now, once you've connected or linked it to your Fitbit account, you will need to connect it to Apple Health. This usually involves tapping a Connect to Apple Health or Sync to Health kit or similar button within the third-party app. So you'll be redirected to the Apple Health app permission screen. Then you review the data categories the app is requesting access to. And then the next thing you'll do is toggle on the categories you want to sync from Fitbit to Apple Health. For example, steps, active energy, health rate, sleep analysis, and weight. Then tap allow or done to grant the app permission. Most apps will have a Sync Now button to perform an initial manual sync of your historical and recent Fitbit data to Apple Health. If the app offers automatic syncing, which is often a premium feature, you may need to configure the sync frequency or ensure the feature is enabled. Now, next is for you to do is to open the Apple Health app on your iPhone. Go to the Summary tab or the Browse tab to view the data categories you selected to sync. Check if the data from your Fitbit account is appearing in Apple Health. It might take some time for the initial sync to complete, especially if you have a lot of historical data. So that's it. Don't forget to ensure that the apps are open. Some third-party apps may require being open in the background to sync automatically. Don't forget to double check that both the third-party sync app and the Fitbit app have necessary permissions enabled in your iPhone settings, like background app, refresh, and Bluetooth. Then, if you encounter any issues, refer to the help or support section within the third-party app or visit the developer's website for troubleshooting tips. You can also ensure that both the Fitbit app and the third-party sync app are updated to the latest version. It's as simple as that. Now, most third-party apps sync data in batches rather than in real time. And the specific data type that can be synced may depend on the third-party app and limitations imposed by Fitbit's API. To avoid duplicate data entries in Apple Health, ensure that the other sources like your iPhone's built-in motion tracker are not simultaneously writing the same type of data that you are syncing from Fitbit. You can manage data sources in the Apple Health app under the Sources tab. Now, the reliability of data transfer depends on the quality and maintenance of the third-party app. By using a reputable third-party sync app, you can successfully transfer your valuable health and fitness data from your Fitbit device to your Apple Health ecosystem. Hope you found the video helpful. Thanks for watching.